Bro, if your back is not wide, your physique is not complete. You can have big arm or a solid chest, but without a thick, powerful back, will never have that true alpha look. So today I'm breaking down the 4 crucial exercises you need to build a huge, powerful and aesthetic back. Let's go. Exercise number 1. Deadlift, the king of back builders. First up, the king deadlifts. This one exercise hits your entire posterior chain, from your traps to your spinal erector, glutes and hamstring. If you want a thick, dense back that screams power, you can't skip deadlift. But here's the key. Stop ego lifting. Focus on controlled rep. Keep your spine neutral and pull with your back, not just your legs. Aim for 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. Heavy enough to challenge you, but clean enough to grow. Exercise number 2. Pull-ups, the classic width builder. Next, the ultimate width builder, pull-ups. If you want that wide P-taper look, pull-ups are your best friend. Forget the machine, go for real bodyweight pull-ups. Use a wide grip to target your lats more. Go all the way down and put your chin above the bar on every rep. Can't do many? No problem. Use resistance bands for assistance until you build a strength. Do 4 sets to failure. That's how you grow. Exercise number 3. Barbell row, the thickness secret. Third, barbell row. This is the secret weapon for mid-back thickness. The lats, rhomboids and traps all fire together when you row heavy with good form. Keep your back slightly arched, hinge at the hips and pull the bar to your lower ribs. Don't jerk the weight, control it. 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. When done right, barbell row will make your back look like a mountain. Exercise number 4. Lat pull down, the finisher for shape and stretch. And finally, lat pull down, perfect for stretching the lats and creating the flared aesthetic shapes. Use a full range of motion, stretch at the top and squeeze at the bottom. Try both wide and reverse grip version to hit different angle. 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps to pump and scrap the muscle. So there you go, deadlift for power, pull-ups for width, barbell row for thickness and pull-up for shape. Master these 4 and your back will look unstoppable, strong, wide and aesthetic from every angle. Now it's your turn. Stop scrolling. Get to work and earn that warrior back. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more fitness update.